Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date, the 28th of July 2021. Day, Wednesday. Evacuate verb khali karna. Remove. Synonyms, clear, move out. Antonyms, hold. Example sentence. Several families were evacuated from their home. Penury, noun, daridrata, impoverishment. Synonyms, indigence, need. Antonyms, wealth. Example sentence. He could not face yet another year of penury. Judicious, adjective, vivek sammat. Wise. Synonyms, sensible, prudent. Antonyms, injudicious. Example sentence. The judicious use of public investment should be ensured. Conundrum, noun, samasya. Problem. Synonyms, difficult, quandary. Antonyms, solution. Example sentence. One of the most difficult conundrums for the experts. Apposite, adjective, uchit. Inappropriate. Synonyms, pertinent, applicable. Antonyms, appropriate. Example sentence. He stated in apposite quotation. Stimulate, verb, utsana. Encourage. Synonyms, prompt, prod. Antonyms, discourage. Example sentence. The reader could not fail to be stimulated by the ideas presented. Flak. Synonyms, synonym, flak, noun, alochana. Criticism. Synonyms, censure, disapproval. Antonyms, approval. You must be strong enough to take the flak if things go wrong. Circumspect, adjective, ehtiyati. Cautious. Synonyms, wary, careful. Antonyms, unguarded. Example sentence. The officials were very circumspect in their statements. Breach, noun, ulanghan. Contravention. Synonyms, violation, breaking. Antonyms, agreement. Example sentence. They had to go through a breach. Renowned, adjective, prasidh. Famous. Synonyms, celebrated, famed. Antonyms, unknown. Example sentence. Britain is renowned for its love of animals. Shining off.